to my channel. It's Ingrid B. Today I am going to be going over with you how I water dyed this synthetic wig. Okay, so it was a struggle, just an FYI, because this is synthetic, so it really was a struggle. Like, I literally left this hair in a bucket for 2 hours. So here's the deal. This is, I don't know if you guys remember a review that I did on the Bobbi Boss Kishana wig. This is that wig, okay? Straightened, it looks completely different. I dyed this color with two Adore semi-permanent colors, which was the periwinkle and another purple one that I can't remember the color, but I came up with this color right here. From afar, I don't know if you guys can tell, from afar you really can't see it, but this was the Bobbi Boss Kishana wig, and it came in that ombre black to gray, and I literally dyed this bad boy, and it came out really good. I actually like the color. It's like a real soft, like periwinkle lavender color. Here, you can see it here when I do it here, and it really came out really good. And I actually like how this unit looks when it's straightened. It came out really dope. Like, look at this. Look, it looks so good. I got so many compliments today from this hair, like, and it looks so human. You know, I do get a lot of shedding from this unit, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of shedding, but for the most part, I've only combed it twice today. I combed it in the morning before I went to work, and I just combed it out just now before I did this vid. So I've only combed it twice today. Like, it's not really too much tangle. I feel like it was more tangle when it came in its natural state, which was like that that body curl kind of style that it comes in. I feel like it was more tangled then, but now, like, it's not really too much tangle. There is shedding though. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a lot of shedding. There's a lot of shedding. But yeah, so I am going to put this clip right here that you see. That's me. And it was an epic fail because I literally was dyeing this and didn't have no gloves on. So all that dye got in my nails. I was super pissed. Like, literally, I was super pissed. But I had to go get my nails done right after I did that, so I left it in the water. But, like, it dyed good, guys. Like, it's like a really faint periwinkle, like lavender color. Like, it came out really good. I'm really happy with this unit. When I first reviewed this Kishana wig in its natural state with the natural color, I didn't really like it. Like, I didn't really like it. Like, the day that I reviewed it, I wore it all day that day, nothing but tangled. I mean, to me, I feel like this looks a little bit more human than it did when it came in its natural state. Like, I feel like this is just, it looks way more human now that it's straightened. Like, I'm still getting a lot of shedding, but I'm not getting as much tangling as I did when it came in its natural state. Like, now it's like not really tangling at all. Like, if you could look, you get some, but not like a lot. Like, you don't get that much. So I'm gonna be wearing this like all the time. I'm gonna be wearing it all the time because I really like it, and I got, like I said, I got a lot of compliments. It's not too much, but you know, it's more to, for me, it's more than enough. So yeah, this clip is just how I dyeing it and everything else. And like I said, I did leave it in the bucket for 2 hours because it is synthetic, so it didn't take like a human hair would. It didn't take at first. Like, I kept dipping it and taking it out, dipping it and taking it out, and it wasn't taking. So what I did was I emptied both bottles in that bucket. As you can see, I emptied both bottles in there. I stir it, dip the hair in there, and literally left it in there for 2 hours. 2 hours I left it in there for. When I took it out, it still looked gray. I was mad. I was like, but then after I blew it out. FYI, when I did put the blow dryer to it, I didn't comb it out or anything. I just literally like held it up and I just let it, I just blew it. I didn't comb it or anything. After I did that, it was still in its natural state with that curl, that wide curl. I literally put it on my head and I started flat ironing it, and then I took the hot comb to it, and yeah, this is how it looks now. I love this. Like, this color, I love it. I love it. See, when I stand back here, it looks great, but when I show you guys, it has that purple tint to it, but it looks really, really good. And like I said, I love the way it feels. It looks very humanistic. Like, it looks human. So that is my secret on how I water dyed this synthetic wig. Get into it. If you want this Keyshana wig, but you don't like how it looks when it comes in, you can straighten it. If you want to water dye it lavender or whatever other color, it's gonna, I believe, or maybe I just did it wrong, but I love the way it came out. But you know, and the use is, I let my water run. I didn't boil the water or anything. I let the water run really, really hot, put it in a bucket and dipped the hair and left it in there. That's all I did. So if you guys like this, remember, thumbs up, comment down below. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you.